Alana, a very warm welcome indeed.
And though he is Dumbarton's cat, Working 9 to 5, what a way to make a living, barely getting by. It's so taking and no giving, they just use your mind, and they never give you credit. It's enough to drive you crazy if you let 9 to 5 for service and devotion. You would think that I deserve a better promotion. Want to move up there, but the boss won't seem to let me. I swear sometimes that man is out to get me. Just watch you shadow, just step in the bus man's ladder, but you got a dream you'll never take away. Say, no, it's about your friends. Wait for the day your ship are coming, and the time's gonna come, and so gonna roll you away. Working 9 to 5, what a way to make a living, barely getting by. It's so taking and no giving, they just use your mind, they never give you credit. It's enough to drive you crazy if you let 9 to 5. They got you where they want you. There's a better life, and you think that I won't daunt you. It's a rich man's game, no matter what they call it, and you spend your life putting money in your wallet. 9 to 5. It's a better life. You think that I won't daunt you. It's a rich man's game, no matter what they call it, and you spend your life putting money in his wallet. 9 to 5. They got you where they want you.
Thank you very much indeed. I certainly enjoyed that. Now we have another. I have plenty of mics anyhow. I don't know what I'm carrying so many of them about for. You know, these boys here in the back's keeping me going a bit tonight. But I'll not let them put me off anyhow. But we certainly enjoyed that. I did anyhow, and I think you did too. We have a group here from County Antrim, the Cullabaccy